Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making these sunflower coasters. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. We're going to start with the brown yarn and we're going to make a magic wing. Next, you're going to chain 2. Then, you're going to double crochet inside the magic wing. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through. With 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Then you're going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. You're going to repeat that until you have a total of 12 double crochets inside the magic wing. Once you're done with round 1, you're going to pull on the tail of the magic wing to tighten it. To close round 1, you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. For round 2, you're going to start by chaining 2. Then, you're going to be doing a double crochet increase all around, meaning in each stitch you're going to be doing 2 double crochets. And by the end of round 2, you should have a total of 24 double crochets. At the end of round 2, you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round. To start round 3, you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to be doing a double crochet into that first stitch. Then you're going to do a double crochet increase into that second stitch, meaning 2 double crochets in one stitch. Then you're going to repeat that all around of doing 1 double crochet followed by a double crochet increase all around, and by the end of round 3 you should have a total of 36 stitches. At the end of round 3, slip stitch into that first double crochet to close it. For round 4, you're going to start by chaining 2. Then you're going to do 1 double crochet into that first stitch, another double crochet into that second stitch, and then in the third stitch you'll do the double crochet increase, so 2 double crochets in one stitch. And then you're going to repeat that all around, and by the end of round 4 you should have a total of 48 stitches. Once you reach the end of round 4, slip stitch into that first double crochet to close it. For round 5, this is actually going to be our last increased round for the coaster. So again, start by chaining 2, do 3 double crochets into the first 3 stitches, and then into that 4th stitch we'll do the double crochet increase. And by the end of round 5, we should have a total of 60 stitches. Now, if you want the coaster smaller or larger, you can add or remove rounds depending on your preference. At the end of round 5, we're gonna be finishing off. You can finish off in any way you like. I'm here doing the invisible stitch method. To do that, you're gonna start by first cutting your yarn, leave a long tail, and then pull it all the way through your hook. Then, using your needle, you're going to insert your needle from the back to the front in the second double crochet, like in that round. So insert it from the back to the front, and then at the last stitch, you're going to insert your needle into the center of your stitch towards the back. And then you're gonna pull it tight to create the invisible stitch on top of that other stitch. and then you'll just weave in the end to secure it. Now that the base of the coaster is done, we're gonna start by making the petals, and we're gonna be using our yellow yarn to do so. Start by making a slip knot. Then remove the slip knot off of your hook, and then insert your hook into the back loop of one of the stitches on your base. Then you're gonna pull the slip knot through that loop, and then you're gonna chain 1. The chain 1 is going to count as your first slip stitch in round 6. So you're gonna skip the second stitch, and then into that third stitch you're gonna start by doing a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. With 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them. Then you're gonna do a double crochet into that same stitch, and then you're gonna do a triple crochet also into that same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Then you're gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, then you're gonna yarn over again and pull through 2 loops, and then you're gonna yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Then you're gonna do a mini picot. So you're gonna chain twice, and then into the back of that second chain, you're going to insert your hook and then pull the yarn through, and then you're gonna pull it through all the way through. And then you're gonna do another triple crochet followed by a double crochet followed by a half double crochet. So all of these stitches together are going to make your first petal. Once you're done with your petal, you're going to skip the next stitch, and then into the stitch after that you're going to do a slip stitch. From here on out, the pattern will repeat itself. So after the slip stitch, you will skip a stitch, and then you will do the petal, which is the half double crochet, triple crochet, mini picot, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, all into the same stitch, and then you will skip a stitch following that. You're going to continue to do that all around in the back loops only to finish round 6. By the end of the round, you're just going to cut your yarn and finish off. And you should have a total of 15 petals. Now that the petals in the back loops are done, we're gonna move on to those in the front loops. We're gonna start again by doing a slip knot, and this time we're going to connect it in the front loops in one of the petal stitches. So when there's a petal in the back loop, we're gonna have a slip knot in the front loop. This way we're alternating, and then there's no 2 petals on top of each other. Then you're just going to repeat the same pattern from the back loops in the front. So start with a slip stitch followed by a skip a stitch followed by the petal combination, and then again skip a stitch. And then you're gonna do that all around. Once you reach the end of the round, you're just going to cut your yarn, finish off, weave in your ends, and then just cut any excess yarn left. Oh, and one more thing, to make sure the petals are staying in place, make sure you block this. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!